All right, guys, I'm back. Just want to show off my new mortar and pestle that I hope to be replacing with my old, I don't know what is this. I think this is clay, maybe. This is what I've been using for for all my Asian dishes, mostly to make papaya salad or to make spicy things. Using mashing up garlic and chilies and so forth. So on this. So as you see, this other one is pretty neat. I was really interested to find out that they told me not to ever wash it using soaps, it says. Apparently you're supposed to always wash it with just water. Little do they know that Southeast Asians use really strong ingredients. So I'm not sure if it's gonna work that I cannot use soap. Anyhow, it seems really cool. It's granite. It's what it's made out of. It's super heavy. That's about 7 pounds, 8 pounds. It's 8 inches wide. Kind of neat too is the inside of it. So the outside is all smooth, The inside, which is the same as the bottom of the pestle, it's almost like it's grounded out like a thread of a screw. So there's like lines, really fine lines that goes around in a circle. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, it was told me just to wash it in water and then not use it until it's dry. It did suggest for me to grind some rice at first for practice, but I've got a few hours in making these items, so I'll go from here. I am gonna make papaya salad next, as you can see. Thanks for watching.